Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. Today we are going to start chapter 11 perimeter and area. Words to know: the first word is perimeter, length of the boundary of a closed figure, that is called the perimeter of that figure, and the area, the part of a plane occupied by the closed figure, that is called the area. Parallelogram, a quadrilateral in which the opposite sides are parallel and equal. Rectangle, a parallelogram in which all the angles are equal to 90 degree. Square, a rectangle in which all the sides are equal. Triangle, a polygon with 3 sides. Circle, set of all points which are equidistant from a fixed point. Circumference, length of the boundary of the circle. First we understand what is perimeter. So first we draw a closed figure. Suppose this. So the boundary of this figure is this much, this one. So it is called the perimeter, and the part of the plane occupied by this particular boundary, that is called the area. This is called the area. Now a rectangle is like this, in which all the angles are 90 degree. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this one is also 90 degree. This is called the rectangle. And a square is like this, a rectangle in which all the sides are equal. All these sides are equal in length. This is called a square. Now a circle is like this, set of all points which are equidistant from a fixed point. Suppose this is a fixed point and all these points are equidistant from this point. So this is called a circle. And what is circumference? Circumference is length of the boundary of a circle. This is the boundary of the circle. This is called the circumference. Now the concept map for mensuration deals with perimeter and area. Perimeter is the distance around a closed figure, and area the part of a plane occupied by the closed figure. Now we are talking about the perimeter. A perimeter of circle is calculated with the help of pi multiplied by diameter. This is the formula. And the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. And perimeter of some regular figures includes, suppose square. So the perimeter of a square equal to 4 multiplied by length of a side. And the perimeter of a pentagon is 5 multiplied by length of a side. Now perimeter of a regular polygon equal to number of sides multiplied by length of one side. After this we are talking about the area. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area of square equal to side into side, means side square. Area of rectangle equal to length multiplied by breadth, and area of circle equal to pi multiplied by radius square. So it is all about a chapter perimeter and area.